We're here today to review the new SL-2 joystick. Some of the improvements have been a raised directional lever that makes it much easier to index between forward, neutral, and reverse. We have moved the tilt controls onto the side of the directional lever. If we pull the toggle back, we have rearward tilt. If we position the toggle in the forward, we get frontward tilt. The lift lower has pretty much remained the same. Unique to this joystick, we have no trigger to engage to get our transverse. So if we move the lever to the left, we get left movement. If we move the lever to the right, we get right movement. Also unique to this joystick, if I use the Z axis and rotate my wrist to the right, I pivot to the right. As I use the Z axis to the left, I pivot to the left. Horn button is located on the front portion of the stick, so the operator can use it very easily. You'll also see there's two other buttons. One can be used if the truck is equipped with wire guidance. The other one can be used if there is auxiliary functions that are required of the truck.